first we pull somewhere else so you can be
Hiding.
showing your big mouth somewhere.
This is the kind of husband you should looking for.
Well, that's what you told me. Pull somewhere where I can show my big mouth.
That is still
I'm just using your words.
I
Your
know.
words.
Okay, go over there. There's no car right here.
Right here?
No, over there. There's no car.
Where? By the black truck?
Yeah, no, not close to the
But
truck.
not
The
close to the
people. This is guys. We hide right here.
Oh, that guy's got his lights on. He can see. He can see. You want me to turn around and face that direction?
That was seriously. Yeah.
Can we go all the way over there and face the grass?
No, I'm fine here. We're fine
Okay.
here. Hello, guys. Okay, have the food. Come on, let me get the thing. Okay. So, what do we have? It's right here, honey. Oh, look, you got some weird.
That's mushroom, olives, roasted peppers, and the turkey
Okay,
cheese.
that's nice.
If you could try it.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. I'll hold it for you. Like that. Oh, where's the... Oh, right here. I have a thing here.
I got napkins. I brought napkins.
This one is nicer.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Let's eat! Nagtatago kami nung kumakain. This is how we eat. We hide.
Do you want to try this one? How quick do you want to try this one?
No meat.
It's nice. No meat on it.
Kasi
Mushroom, roasted peppers,
I
olives.
follow... I can eat meat, but... I eat meat, but if my husband doesn't eat meat... Ah! No.
You don't have to do it for my sake.
Nagigilty ako, guys, if I eat meat.
We're going to see a church gave special dispensation for today so people would eat meat. So it wouldn't ruin their St. Patrick's Day holiday. So
What
screw
happened?
that.
They give you a thing? Oh, alright.
The church gave like special dispensation that you don't need to follow it. No meat today because it's St. Patrick's Day.
What kind of church is that telling you to do that?
That's the Bishop of New York.
And how do you like it?
Good.
Very good.
Let's try it for you. Try that one first.
Ang pizza dito, guys, malaki. May mas malaki pa dito na pizza talaga. Ito is ano siya na pizza. This is pizza is just cheese. Ang init. It's hot, honey.
Pizza is usually served hot.
I know. But sometimes it get cold. Quick. Look at that guy. Drive that fast.
And then you saw you eat.
You cannot really drive fast in the garage on the drive. Just put on. Thank you. No. So after that, mag-grocery kami. Looking for something to eat for dinner also. Shrimp. Okay.
Pipsqueak.
Huh?
Pipsqueak.
What's that?
Call me shrimp, I call you Pipsqueak.
What's that?
It's all joke.
And your joke is very American, and you know your wife is a Filipina. So that's why I didn't get that. Sometimes joke ni Tami no, I can't get it. Ah, it's hot. Sa gilagid. Andun sa gilagid ko yung init. Crunchy, crunchy. Let's eat the cheese first.
Old joke played on words.
That guy's not allowed over there.
And the actual joke was there were two kids. It was a dance for a school. And there's two kids at the dance. You know, everybody's at the dance dancing, and there's two kids just sitting there. One boy, and he's got a wooden eye. And there's a girl sitting there. She's got like a hair lip, like, you know, what the lip gets.
Yeah. Cut.
And they're sitting there all alone, like nobody's paying attention to them. So finally, the boy turns around and tells the girl, "Would you like to dance?" And she goes, "Would I?" And he goes, "Hair lip, hair lip."
And you see that the guy? No, the guy.
Because she said, "Would I?" Like, but he's like, "You call me a would I?"
Now I get it. Very slow. So I just realized the kid have a wood eye. You put the wood in the eye. so when the kid said, when I
She was so excited that he asked her to dance. So would you like to dance? She said, "Oh, would I? Of course I would." You know, that kind of thing.
I said, would I? Oh my God, I feel bad with the kid. And I feel bad with the kid. Oh my God. See that? They're just building over there. I like that thing. The crust is so tasty.
You like this crust better?
Well, it seems like it's very burnt. I like that.
Roasted peppers.
I like roasted peppers. Oh my God, it's crunchy one.
I said you like that.
It's really thin. I like it. So moving forward, we're gonna get pizza. No, I'm gonna end up no dinner for me.
Just do dinner late. We just do dinner late.
Is that okay with you?
Yeah, okay.
Remember when we always have dinner like 10 o'clock in New Rochelle? Oh my God, I'm always like, what the heck is this going on with these people? That's my first thought, guys. Like, why is it too late? The dog is hungry. The only thing that good thing about it is we always have a lot of food in the counter. It's like you're not starving. That's what happened to Mom though. Bread here, starved, there's peanuts here, like this. So that's why like everybody eat late. That's how I gain weight, guys. The food and the late time. I like that. The thing. Oh guys. Salamat sa aming mga kalukuhan. Guys, hinihintay ko lang si Mister kasi pumunta siya para sa aming sa sasakyan ko, kailangan ng oil change.
Where are we going to? My wife, wifey. Where do you want to go? Seriously?
Pizza, you said pizza. I thought you
which
decided
pizza?
already.
Yeah, but you want to get pizza by where we're going, or you want to get pizza over here? You make things difficult.
Get pizza over here, the one that you get. You are the one who decide. Hala, we're building house and
They're building something.
kakain lang ng pizza, mag-away pa. Kaluka talaga ito. This is how what happened, guys. Hala, what happened to these people?
They're stopping.
Oh, there's more car here. I thought it's just these two of them. Yon, bumili ng kami ng aming panggulay kasi na-miss ko yung gulay, guys. Tinolang manok. So, spinach, nagduha-duha ko asay kuha. Una ko ano yun,
spinach ba nga dako or spinach nga gamay, anya nagkuha dun kog luya kasi kinahanglan man sad nay luya no. Ipasok ang luya sa silopin, nahihirapan na si Mister. Oy, naghanap din kami dito ng oy, masarap ito guys, pero ay maheblan naman ako nito. Naghanap si Tami ng chicken para daw sa aming mga alaga. Every time na magpunta talaga kami sa tindahan, kinahanglan magbili ng chicken kasi yung aming aso daw. So ngayon, iba naman yung chicken na aking itinola kasi gusto ko talagang maganda yung look ng aking chicken, no? Kasi yung mga chicken dito, patay na nga, parang pinapatay pala. Charot. Anyway, so ito, naghanap si Tami ng shrimp para makain daw niya kasi Friday, bawal ang karne. So, pwede sila seafood. Tara guys, uli na ta.
I said, look, the puppy waits in the car, just like you do. You bouncing.
My husband is making fun of me, guys.
Because she's like, no, I'm not going in. I'm just going to sit in the car.
I'm like a dog.
She don't want to go in.
Pay attention. Guys, my husband is always wanna fight with me, guys. Oy. You know, he taught me how to drive, sign, make a signal even you're in the line of turn only.
Not that I wasn't going to do it, you're rushing me to do it. I'm getting a cigarette out.
Oh, that's
it's a red light. You're saying, oh, people won't know where you're going. Of course they'll know where I'm going. You're in two lanes that only can go left.
Naglagot na yung kunin mo ba? Naglagot na ko. Ganina na ko, guys. I-open niya buong pinda. Because I said open the window. He opened all the window and the pizza shit. The pizza's everywhere. That's why what happened of my car, guys, he doesn't really care. He's like missy.
You're throwing away the chickens. The chickens, you're tossing out the chickens. And just throw them bucket of cold water. Cold water.
What cold water? That's not cold water.
To unfreeze them, it's cold water.
Hot water.
Yeah. If you have to use that every time you use it, move to the garbage. Show me the garbage.
Yeah, I know. Wash your hand. Wash your hand first.
The drink.
I'm doing the washing. Wash your hand. There's a chicken thing in there. This is how we contaminate everything.
No, but you wait until it's tasted. It's like glue. Glue. You just gotta dump it out all the time. I keep telling you, dump it out. That's it. You wait until then it gets in the drain and glue and it sticks to all the sides and makes the water stop.
Han,
why you put that little snake in the water?
And you know what I noticed about you?
What do you notice about me?
You make my muscle hurt.
How do I make your muscles hurt?
You're squeezing it like crazy.
Are you kidding me? I barely touched that. I do like this,
You
and that's
barely
like
touched that's the thing. You barely touched that.
You have to make your muscles hurt? Ready?
And come on, give me a kiss, love. Come on, pipi, pipi.
Think about that. I go, hee hee. Rox, can you imitate your mama's laugh? Like the dog on the video?
Yeah, that was
Go ahead, imitate your mama's laugh. Come on, let's hear it.
Roxy stupid. Ganyan talaga kami, guys. Magloko-loko pa. Ingana lang yun ang mga kabuang ni Mister kaming duha. Puro kaming maglambingan, kahit ano lang lang mga pinagawa sa buhay. Pero bago dyan, magluto na ako ng tinola, guys. Oy, ginger, hiwa-hiwain natin. So, ang ginawa ko dito is, bukas pa ko ito lutuin itong ating tinola. So, ang ginawa ko, binabrown ko siya para luto na siya, ready na bukas. O, diba? Salamat po sa inyong panonood, guys. So, ito lang yung ginagawa ko pag uwi namin na niluto ko yung chicken para bukas. Diretso na. So, ngayon, hindi na ako makapaghintay, guys. I-continue na lang natin bukas, no? The next day na po ito. So, si Inday Mirian, magtrabaho ako sana sa labas kasi meron akong i-garden. Kaso guys, maginaw pa pala. Yun yung uniform ko kapag magtrabaho ako sa labas. Pero bago nyan, lutuin ko muna yung sabi ko nga, chicken tinola. So, meron tayo dito yung chayote. Lutuin natin siya at masarap. Yun lang naman, chayote, malunggay, at saka chicken, of course, at saka spinach. Yun lang. And then, kakain na tayo. Kasi akala ko talaga, pagkatapos ko nitong kumain, lalabas ako at mag-garden. Kasi kailangan kong ayusin yung ating mga halaman doon sa harap ng bahay. Para naman maganda, no, pag spring. At dahil nga, pag human akong kaon, tugno man dahil kayo sa labas, no? Perting ginawa. So, perting ginawa talaga. So, nagdesisyon ako na ako ng mga seedling kasi para naman ready, no? Tutubo na yung mga kailangan kong itanim sa ating garden talaga. Yun yung mga gulay. So, yun yung una kong ginawa guys. So, nagtanim-tanim para meron tayong ma-transfer sa summer kasi talagang mahirap din magsidling guys, ang tagal tumubo. So ito advance so ang nilagay dahil sa maginaw nga sa labas, nilagay ko sa basement para naman tutubo sila. At anyway guys, salamat guys ang ginaw at ang hangin. Salamat pala sa inyong panonood. Salamat din sa mga naka-follow na dyan. Salamat sa mga nanonood kahit hindi naka-follow. Kita-kita lang tayo next time. And excited ako. Sana excited din kayo sa ating garden. Excited ako mag-harvest. Ang dami kong mga kailangang itanim. May plano pa naman sana ako na dagdagan ko itong garden ko kasi po parang naliitan talaga ako pero wala akong choice. Ang mahal kasi ng lupa dito guys. Kapag mag-garden ka, bibili ka pa ng lupa, Kasi itong lupa ko dito, hindi talaga pwede. Hindi pwede kasi puro siya mga bato sa ilalim. Kapag magkalot ka, magdig ka ang bato. So, sige na, ang bato, lilipad. But anyway guys, salamat guys. Maayong gabi, mga adlaw, mga adto. Kita-kits tayo next time.